My girlfriend.
You find a girlfriend first and then she become your wife and then she have your children. And what did you say to mama?
I already have a girlfriend.
You already have a girlfriend?
Yes, even I have 2 girlfriends, but I know which one to pick.
Wait. You only want Nutella?
Not a lot of Nutella. Mama, why do you look good? White chocolate. White chocolate is not healthy, but brown chocolate is healthy.
Not really. I just like the taste of white chocolate.
I like the taste of brown chocolate.
That's okay. It's okay to have preferences.
I want to do
One spoon after you mix. Right. Take your time and put it in the cup. Go ahead, stir it out. Mix it. Hold the cup with your other hand. Alright, stir it in the cup now. Hold it here.
That was too much.
All done.
That was too much.
No, that's fine. One seat, I'll carry to you. You can carry this one and I carry the tea. Go on, say morning to the face.
What one? Is what time is it now? They're on the same spot.
Okay, they're on the same spot. So remember, tell her this is 30,
Yes.
35, and it's moving towards 40, but it don't reach 48. What come before you reach 40?
35.
No, what come before 40? What come before the number 40?
39.
Right, so it's 7:39.
Okay.
Alright, get down.
7:39.
He insists on learning to read the big clock. Hi face, good morning, good morning, morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here. You guys can see I just roll up, sleep on my face, making my boy breakfast, and going to look after everybody right now. So have a good day, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and enjoy the rest of today's vlog.
Hello.
He already start getting ready for school. Don't mess your don't mess your clothes up. Get up. Get up. Sit properly, and why you don't have a mat. Come and sit.
Mama.
Wait. I have to turn on the camera for this moment. I have to share this with you guys. What question did you ask Mama just now?
I asked that I thought that when I was going to be an adult, Sarah is going to be the mother of our children.
And I said to you, no, Sarah won't be the mother of your children. Sarah will find a husband. She will have her children, and you will find a wife. And
You mean my girlfriend?
You'll find a girlfriend first, and then she become your wife, and then she have your children. And what did you say to Mama?
I already have a girlfriend.
You already have a girlfriend?
Yes, even I have 2 girlfriends, but I know which one to pick.
You have 2 girlfriends?
Yes, but I know which one to pick. The one at maternal.
The one at maternal, what's her name?
Lily. She's at maternal. She's 5 years old like me.
Okay, so why you think she's your girlfriend?
Because when I was at maternal, she was playing a lot with me.
Oh, so that's why she become your girlfriend?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so let Mama tell you something now. When Mama said that you'll have a girlfriend and then she become your wife, you don't have girlfriend until you're almost an adult. So kids don't have girlfriends or wives.
But I don't have wives, but I already have a girlfriend.
No. You have girls that are your friends, but
Yes.
you don't have a girlfriend. Girlfriend and wife is adult activity. Understand? So you have girls that are your friends and you love them, yes, but they're not your girlfriend. Do you understand? When you have a girlfriend, you engage in adult activities like hugging, kissing, and amongst other things. Okay? You do that when you're almost an adult. Now that you're a child, you're young, you're a child, you focus on going to school, focus on getting good grades.
But
you don't
when I'm
listen. Hold on, let me finish talk.
And the camera is watching that.
That's fine. You focus on doing good in school. You don't focus on having a girlfriend. You don't have a girlfriend. Okay?
Okay.
You have girls that are your friends, but
Yes.
they're not your girlfriends. Only mattress can have a boyfriend. Mama had a boyfriend, which was Papa, and then Papa became my husband because I was an adult. So you don't have girlfriends until you become an adult or close to an adult, like when you're 19, 20.
Or 16?
No, 16 is a bit too early. Like 19
Or 21?
or 20. Anytime after 19. Okay?
Okay.
So what Mama said about girlfriends?
I only can have a girlfriend when I'm an adult.
Right.
Mama, but when I'm going to be in CE1, my friend is going to come here like that. I can play with her.
Yeah, she's gonna play with you, but that's it, just playing. That doesn't mean she's your girlfriend.
But
That's what kids do, play with each other.
But it's a girl and it's my friend.
Right, so that makes you your girlfriend in that case because she's a girl and your friend. But that's all that it's going to be until you become an adult. Understand?
Okay, so when I'm going to be an adult, I'm going to find another one?
No, or you can find another one, or maybe she'll become your friend until you're an adult, then she can become your girlfriend. Okay?
Okay.
But there are many things about adolescence that you need to learn about, and you learn as you grow up, okay?
Mama?
Do you understand everything that I just said? Alright, now go put on your shoes, we're gonna be late.
I'm
Go
almost.
put on your shoes, we're gonna be late. Now, go. What kind of conversation is this I'm having with my 5-year-old? Can you imagine? Lord help me. Hi! You guys, I finished workout and didn't even show you guys what I did. Who is this? Sarah? You hear that? You guys, I deliberately turned on the camera for you to hear that. Who is this? Sarah? Sarah? No! No, Sarah, no! Sarah? 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 Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
No!
Yes! Who is this? Who is this?
Yeah.
Who is this? No, Tyler. Tyler's at school. Who is this? Who is this? Sarah. 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 Who is this? Tyler. Where is Tyler? Tyler's at school. It's time for her nap. More juice? Finish? It's nap time. Nap time. Nap. Nap. Say nap. Nap. She been saying Sarah, Sarah from morning. Nap. Ready for nap? Of course you want mine, but you want yours and to see the TV. Yes man, Ginger, turn up. Sizzling your throat. Sarah. Let's go nap. Come on. Let's go nap. 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 See your face. Bye bye. Nap. Yes, nap. Did she say nap? Nap. Ready to nap? Tell face bye bye. Bye bye. Nap time. Come on. Let's go nap. 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 We're going to nap. Nap. So we're going to nap. Going to nap. Who is that up there? Who is that? Who is that?
Papa.
Papa. And who is that? Mama. You guys, Sarah's vocabulary has changed so much for the past few weeks. She's just saying words like crazy. She loves pointing on the pictures when she see me and her dad and say Papa. She can't say Mama, so she said Nana. And she loves saying Tyler, and she's now saying her name, saying Sarah. You guys, can you believe that I have to have that talk with Tyler this morning? He's so innocent. He still thinks because the girl is a girl and it's her friend, so it's his girlfriend. That's what's in his head. He's so innocent. He's so cute. But of course, I had to let him know that, hey, there's a difference between girlfriend and girlfriend, okay? And my boy is smart, so he completely gets it. Anyway, you guys, tell me if you guys has ever had this talk with your kids at this age. Because honey child, isn't it a learning process being a parent? My God. Anyway, you guys, I got my workout in. Workout was slow and steady and consistent this morning on the pace that I was going. Now I need to go have my breakfast. I forget to have my green juice before I leave out this morning because of that talk with Tyler, so the time just fly by. So now I'm gonna have my breakfast, which is a mixture of oats and yogurt and almond milk. Let me see if I can show you guys. So this is breakfast. This is what my breakfast look like. I make it from last night and it's in the fridge. Yeah. So it's just a mixture of oats and seeds and yogurt and almond milk, and it's really yummy, and some raisins in there too. Let me see if I show you guys what the package looks like. So I buy the package like this at the supermarket to give you guys an idea of what it looks like, just in case you guys probably want to search for something like this and try it. I did not show you dinner. I completely forget to film, but don't mind me. I'm going to show you guys because I'm sharing right now. So this one is for Babe. I did stewed chicken and broccoli. I already had rice in the fridge, so I just warmed that. This one is for Ty. I had some mashed potato in the fridge, so he's having half and half, chicken and broccoli. Sarah, I'm still trying her with veggies, but I'm sure she won't eat that. So that's for Sarah, the mashed potato. And this one is mine. So dinner is ready for the fame bam.
Again, Mama. Again.
Eat broccoli. Ah. You guys, I'm just here saying that and she's just dying with laughter. Tell her, say, Mama, I have to go get the camera.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Remember I told you guys earlier that she was gonna eat the broccoli? She wasn't gonna eat it, like I said, but I stuffed it inside the potato while I'm feeding her. And she ate almost all of it, leave like 2-3 pieces, but she ate well. Finish? Finish?
She didn't sleep.
Finish? Finish?
Missy, finish. Correct. Mama.
Quack.
Sarah didn't have yogurt.
Oh, you didn't have yogurt. You want yogurt?
Yogurt?
Okay.
Where's the yogurt?
See in the fridge. You hear she answer me in French though.
Yeah.
She said, oui.
But this, we should be yogurt.
You can catch it?
Yes.
That's the thing with Sarah. That's the thing with Sarah. When you give me one, break it in two. Break it. Carrie, come give me. Right. And then break one. Put up one first. Put up two. When Sarah counting, she said 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This. She counting English and French. Tyler coming with your yogurt. And when she used some French words, like when she's saying why, sometimes she don't say why, she say iglek. Iglek. And she, like just now I asked her if she want yogurt and she say oui. She'll answer me in French. Go sit and finish eating, please. Head. Yaourt. Yogurt. Look at her dancing yogurt, sweetheart. Don't let Sarah finish eat before you. You don't want the other piece of chicken?
No, all I want is the broccoli.
Eat everything in the plate except this.
But
Yeah. Tyler, eat everything in the plate now.
But this part.
You don't want that part either?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you hear she just said Nana. It's called she calling me. Wee! 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 She's just yogurt. She's just improving so much her vocabulary. Mama! Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? No, that's Sarah. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? What do you mean no? Yes. Yes. And don't tell me to sure. Don't tell me to sure you. Feisty bullshit. And everything she do tell her crack up with laughing. Who is this? Who is this? Sarah, who is this? Sarah, who is this? Oh, oh. She's looking at it. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Sarah, Mama. Who is this? Who is this? She's not giving no mind because I'm bothering her. Who is this? I'm gonna turn off your TV. Tyler, eat please. You guys hear how she just cussed me out and tell me about no yogurt? Finish. Finish the yogurt. It is finished. All done. All done.
Mr. Finish.
Clap, clap. Tell her eat, please. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Who is this? 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 This Mama. Who is this? That's Sarah. This Mama. Tell us stop doing that. Sarah. 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 Mama. Mama. Who is this? Who is this? Hey, who is this? Hey, who is this? Who is this? What? Exactly. Yeah, I know. Who is this? Yes, yes. I love you. I love you. I love you. Clap, clap, clap. Finish. All done. Quack, quack, quack. Tell favors bye. A little character. She's something.